Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in debate. First, familiarize yourself with the specific debate format, whether it's Lincoln Douglas or policy, and its unique rules. This foundational knowledge is crucial for structuring your arguments effectively and avoiding procedural errors. Next, cultivate your critical thinking to analyze topics deeply, identifying key issues and potential counterarguments. Finally, hone your active listening skills to truly understand your opponent's points, which is vital for effective rebuttal. Effective debate hinges on robust research. Dive deep into your topic, collecting diverse evidence like statistics, expert opinions, and historical examples to support your claims. When constructing arguments, ensure each point has a clear claim, strong evidence, and a logical warrant explaining its relevance. Think ahead. What will your opponent say? Prepare preemptive responses to common counterarguments, giving you a significant advantage. Your delivery is just as important as your content. Speak clearly, maintain eye contact, and project confidence to engage your audience and judges. When it's time for rebuttal, be precise and impactful. Directly address your opponent's points, explaining why your arguments are superior. Remember to always maintain a professional and respectful demeanor, even under pressure, as this reflects positively on your credibility. Consistent practice is non-negotiable for improvement. Participate in regular mock debates and drills to refine your skills and build confidence. Actively seek out constructive feedback from coaches, teammates, or even judges. Their insights are invaluable for identifying areas for growth. Remember, every debate is a learning opportunity, so reflect on your performance and continuously adapt your strategies. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.